Good morning student. Today we discussed about database management system of standard 11 subject computer. Database management system. Follow this step to create a very useful database. Earlier we discussed about database. Now follow the following step to create a very useful database. Adding data into the database as and when transaction taken place. Editing the content of the database with the correction required as and when noticed. Removing unnecessary data from the database if any. Organizing the database in a proper manner. Retrieval of data as per user requirement. Securing data stored in database. Maintaining backup of database. Allowing multiple users to access database simultaneously. Allowing data to be stored in multiple languages. Allowing data to be stored in multiple places. All text related to database handling is known as database management. All tasks are related to database to handling data is known as database management system. Naturally, we need special software to do this work. Such are known as database management system. In short, the DBMS software is what makes database practical and more useful. Oracle, Impress, DB2, SQL Server, MySQL, MS Access, Base, etc. are the name of some popular DBMS software available in the market. These all are the DBMS software easily available in the market. Today we discussed about Base. It is a part of OpenOffice suite. Base is based on a relational data model. We all are familiar with Microsoft Office. So Base is a part of OpenOffice suite and Base is a OpenOffice software. Base is related with relational data model. Introduction to Base. Base is Relational Database Management System, RDBMS. Perhaps the simplest but most versatile way to organize information is to store it in tables. We stored information in the form of tables. Designed by E.F. Code, relational model is based on the theory of sets and reactions of mathematics. The model of relational data model is created by Dr. E.F. Code and it is based on the theory of sets and reactions of mathematics. A DBMS that is based on relational model is called as RDBMS relational model. Is the most successful data model. One of the reasons behind the success of relational model is its simplicity. Relational model is very simple. It is easy to understand the data relationship and easy manipulate. The model of the relational model is very easy and understand the data relationship and easily manipulate. Base is a collection of related data objects known as table, queries, reports and application modules. Here we discussed about table, queries, reports and application modules. Table. Being RDBMS, table is the basic unit for storing data in database designed using Base. In the base, we want to store the data. So table is a very useful and basic unit to storing a data. Tables are organized in the form of column and rows. To decide what information would be stored in a table and what would be the column title, database designer needs to first decide entities in database. When we decide what we stored in the table, so first database designer needs to decide entities of the database. Entities are real-world objects about which information is to be stored in database. Entities is a real-world object which information is to be stored in database. Detail of each employee need to be stored in database. When you store the detail of employee, for example, name, address, city, pin code, phone number, birth date, joining date, etc. So all that details are stored in database. Each entity generally has collection of attributes associated to it. Attributes of any entities and represented in the form of columns. When we store a detail of any employee, that is displayed in the row and that is known as record, and all attributes of any entities that is displayed in the column and that is called field. Forms. We need to enter new record into the table, edit existing records and view the records available with the table. Form is an object which allows entering the data in the table and editing or deleting existing data in the table. The another way to insert a data in of the database is form. Form is an object which allows entering the data in the table and editing or deleting existing data. It consists of format style and widths like radio button, list boxes that provides easy and systematic way to popular table with data. The navigation bar displayed on the bottom of the form and that provides a different button to work with the form. Queries. A question asked within the database environment is known as query. Query displays subset of data contained in various tables of a database. Queries means to ask question. When you create a database about the detail of students and you want only the some details, for example you want a roll number, name and only computer marks, so you create a queries about that table. Reports. Base has a facility to prepare effective professional report. The professional of information is an organized and readable format as per the user requirement is known as report. Various complex reports could be generated that can help in taking decision by management in organization. We all are very familiar with reports. All organizations creates a report monthly, quarterly, so they can decide business is run successfully or not. So here we also created a report to decide the management of our organization.